If your law firm's website is missing this one invisible ingredient, you're practically guaranteeing that AI tools like ChatGPT ignore you in search results. And it's not backlinks, and it's not blogging frequency. It's something most law firms have heard of but don't really understand. It's schema markup, and in this video, I'll break down what schema actually is in normal human language. We'll learn why it's critical for your law firm to show up in AI search, and how to implement it safely without blowing up your site. So let's get into it. So what is schema really? Schema markup is simply structured data coded behind the scenes that tells search engines and AI who you are, what your content means, and what questions you're answering, which attorney is connected to which practice area, and whether you're a real, trusted business. Humans see paragraphs. AI sees code, labels, structure, and relationships. Schema provides that code and labels. Without schema, AI sees your website like a messy filing cabinet. With schema, it becomes a clean, organized, keyword indexed binder. So let's talk about why schema matters for AI search and AEO. Maybe you've heard people throwing around this new phrase, AEO, which stands for Answered Engine Optimization. It's like SEO, but for the AI bots that are looking for your website. AI tools don't give users a list of links anymore. They give one answer or maybe two. And to choose that answer confidently, AI needs structured content, verified business details, clear connections between pages, signals of legal expertise, and fresh, accurate information. Schema delivers all of this. This is the foundation of answer engine optimization, or AEO, making your law firm the answer AI trusts. If your competitors use schema and you don't, AI literally doesn't know you exist. While there are maybe hundreds of schema types, there are a few schemas that are very important for law firms to have attached to their websites. These are the ones that carry enormous weight for AEO. Here they are with examples and how AI uses them. Let's start with number one, local business schema. This is critical for your NAP consistency. This schema tells AI very clearly this is a real law firm located at this address with this phone number. It includes firm name, address, but it must match your Google business profile exactly. Your phone number, your hours, your website, your logo, and finally your geo coordinates. So what is the AEO impact? AI cannot confidently recommend a firm whose identity and address are inconsistent. Local business schema helps validate your existence. So number two, attorney or person schema for each lawyer. This is where most law firms fall short. Attorney schema allows AI to connect these elements: a lawyer's name, their credentials, their bar admission, their education, their specializations, speaking engagements, articles authored to the actual pages on your site. So here are a couple of examples. If someone asks Perplexity who is the best custody lawyer in Pittsburgh, your site only gets referred if AI can tie the attorney bio, the practice area page, the FAQ answers to a verified attorney entity. So attorney schema creates that connection. So number three, FAQ page schema. This is massive for AI answers. If you want AI to quote your firm in search answers, this is the easiest pathway. First, make sure that your site has common questions from clients and then answer them in a straightforward, jargon-free way. FAQ schema labels each question and answers in a way AI can pull directly. So, an example, question: how long does probate take in Pennsylvania? Answer: most probate cases in PA take 6 to 12 months. With FAQ schema wrapped around this text, AI can lift it verbatim and cite your firm. No schema? You're skipped. Number 4, service schema for each practice area. So most firms dump all their practice areas on one page. That kills AEO. So first create a page for each of the areas of practice that you offer. Then the service schema will allow you to define each one, like family law, estate planning, DUI defense, business formation, and personal injury. These will each be seen as distinct, structured services within the schema. AI needs the specificity to match your site to natural language questions like, how do I find estate planning attorneys near me? Where is the nearest DUI attorney? Service schema tells AI which pages on your website have that answer. Number 5, article schema, blogs, and resource pages. Article schema signals publish dates, last updated dates, authors, topics, and relevance. This is essential for showing recency, which AI values heavily. A blog with article schema looks fresh and authoritative. Without it, kind of looks like a generic text. In order to implement this, make sure that your firm is putting out regular, helpful content and adding the article schema to the page. Now that I've given you the 5 most important schema to implement, let's talk about the easiest way to implement it without breaking anything in your website. Here are 3 safe, attorney-friendly pathways and the pitfalls to avoid. So method 1, WordPress plugins. This is pretty beginner-friendly. So if you're on WordPress tools like Rank Math or All-in-One Schema Pro, these can generate schema automatically for attorney bios, FAQ sections, practice area pages, and blogs. But the benefits of using these pre-built plugins? There's a no coding, there's pre-built templates, and there's easy toggles to add or remove schema types. As a lawyer, you know the importance of a caveat, and here's the caveat that applies here. These plugins don't always create perfect schema, and combining multiple plugins can create conflicting markup. So method number 2, schema generators for non-WordPress sites. Tools such as technicalseo.com schema generator and Merkle structured data tool allow you to generate JSON LD code by filling in boxes, perfect for websites on Wix, Squarespace, Weebly, and custom HTML sites. But you must paste the code into the site correctly and validate it. This is one that you may want to pass on to your website developer. Method 3, AI-assisted schema. This may be for advanced users only. So ChatGPT can generate schema if prompted correctly. Here is an example. Write attorney schema markup for an estate planning attorney in Pittsburgh. Include their bar number, education, and links to bio and practice area pages. However, AI sometimes produces non-standard properties. They miss the required fields and sometimes have invalid formatting. So you must validate it using Google's rich results test or schema.org validator. So what happens if you mess up schema? Search engines may ignore your markup completely. Your rich results can disappear overnight. You can introduce accessibility issues. You can confuse AI tools, making your rankings drop. But here's the worst case. Misformatted schema can create site-wide errors. So schema is powerful, but precision matters. This is why you should use the tools that check your schema is implemented correctly. Schema.org and Google's rich results tools are great to use here. But here's the truth. If your law firm isn't using schema today, you're falling behind. And if you're using it incorrectly, you're at a risk of being ignored by AI entirely. But when schema is set up properly, AI understands your attorneys. AI trusts your answers. AI references your FAQs, and AI chooses your firm more often. Look, if you want Schema done right and you want your website ready for AI search, we can help. At IFTS, our AI-ready content packages include Schema Markup for attorneys, services, articles, and FAQs, AEO-focused content writing, internal linking for authority, directory cleanup and local signals, and ongoing updates to keep your content fresh. So this can include videos and blogs created just for your firm. Click the link below to schedule a strategy call and future-proof your online visibility. And don't forget to check out the next video in this series, where we'll show you how Schema directly ties into becoming the #1 answer AI tools recommend, not just another website on page 2.